Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here. And this week's Ask Sherry question is kind of an amalgamation of a lot of questions that I have been getting lately about various substances. And I thought I would cover it all in this one video because the technique for dealing with them is exactly the same. So the question is, I'm using a concentrate like FECO or RSO or hash oil or distillate or isolate. Do I need to infuse it into butter or oil, or can I just add it to my recipe? That is a great question. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit the YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so when you're working with a concentrate, providing that concentrate has already been decarboxylated, and if you don't know what that is, see the links below. I'll have links explaining that. You don't have to make an infusion with it. You can put it right into your recipe. That said, if your recipe does use something like oil or butter, it's really good to dissolve that concentrate in that oil or butter, because that will allow you to more evenly distribute it throughout the recipe, easier than if you just put a blob of hash oil in there and stirred it up and hoped for the best. So anytime you can dissolve your concentrate in some other component of the recipe, that might be oil or butter, maybe it'd be a heated cream or milk, or depending on what you're cooking, that what you would dissolve it in might vary, but that will help you to more evenly distribute the concentrate throughout your recipe. But otherwise, if you're dealing with a decarb concentrate, you don't have to make an infusion, or if you do, you're just melting it in until it dissolves. No need to make a long cooking infusion. So cooking with concentrates can be a lot quicker in that regard. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.